Somebody's what? Have you seen that? You heard that one? Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety. Oh, they're cool.
Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. All right, hey. All right. We'll start the podcast now.
Yeah.
Welcome to another episode of the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks.
Bing, biddy, bang, bang, biddy, bang, bang, biddy, bang.
May I have a next one, you know?
Yeah?
Hear that one, you know? Did you stop to pray this morning? Did you need just...
You know, is which one I've been on repeat for me lately? Yes, Lord, for the rest of my days. Yes,
for the rest of our days. Yes, Lord. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I have to keep on that go.
Yeah.
More and more. I know what we need them to keep on that do. People, me need to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Straight.
We've been to receive whole heap of, love and joy from the comment section.
Yeah, man.
People are saying, it been nostalgic.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, people start like go back in at the time.
Those people are like, yo, I didn't realize we all really lived the same life. Like,
brother, people start remind me of like more Nine Night song. Yeah, the Nine Night song, what did I try to remember was Gone Away, yeah.
Oh, Lord, man. Forget that song, man.
We'll forget that.
Gone
away, yeah. Even, brother, because there was another sad Nine Night song too,
Which one?
You see, anytime when Freezer jump in, Freezer, we call him Freezer.
Who's Freezer?
Freeze, because him always cool.
Okay.
Poo, 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 poo. Anytime when you hear that song that start, you know the one where say, poo, 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 I miss you so much. Remember when we run the roast joke and have the last laugh? The 45, they would have blast off. Yo, Jano. I know you God. I miss you so much. Bear in mind, people, some of the time, we don't know them people here, we just dead. We just, we just like the song them.
And the soup I go boom, you see me?
The soup I go bad.
The curry goat, you see me?
Because the thing is, so a lot of people from Pembroke, I reach out. I say, yo, me I remind them, I like, oh, it used to stay. And apparently, Nine Night still I keep every Friday.
Every Friday still?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just to clarify, Nine Night keep every Friday, but it don't always have to be a young person dying. A lot of the time, it's like some senior citizens.
Yeah.
So you have big people are dead, and then young people dead.
Okay.
All
right. Just for the people who don't really know, can we give a brief explanation? Why for the brief explanation of what a Nine Night is?
Okay, yes. So a night is the 9th day of a person's death. But in Jamaica, Nine Night is basically the setup, which is the setup is the day before the funeral. Yeah. So the Nine Night is where now everybody from foreign and Jamaica, from all walks of life, if you live in the country, everybody come from town to your house.
Yeah, and everybody in the yard. And that is the dead yard.
Yes, that's the dead yard.
Okay.
The dead yard is where the dead person used to live.
Okay. Yes, okay. Yeah.
If the dead yard not there, the dead person yard is a different, we call it something else.
Okay.
But how Nine Night work, there's tricks to Nine Night, if you break down Nine Night into sections,
all right.
Because the Nine Night always have like the old people them.
Yeah.
And the old people have a specific way of doing things, and it always cause problem between the young people them during the Nine Night. So for instance, because the Nine Night is where all family members come together.
Right.
Now, this is where the rich and the poor and the indifferent family members come. So every Nine Night...
So people were never linked before and...
Every Nine Night, there is that one uncle that we've never seen in years. We think him dead.
Me shout now.
And him just reach and him owe everybody money. and
Right.
nobody like him.
Fair.
And then we have the rich family and them forward, but them don't forward asleep at the house like everybody else.
Them forward, them dead, them probably to themselves.
Them there one hotel and them
Right.
carry everybody and
Yeah.
them come and them go on like say, for them shit don't make party. Or for them, you know, them more like say, for them shit no stink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I always eat that sect at the 9 night there because we always a fight over music.
Oh, them can't play, playing the
Certain music them no want play or them would have fight over food.
I feel like it's usually the food thing. It's usually like the food not stush enough.
Yeah, 9 night is always there. 9 night is always there. You know, take 2 plates of curry already. How much more you want? You can't satisfy. I giving you one plate of curry. One. Yeah, what them all say them deal, me count it. You see you take 5 Heineken. Stop carry the Heineken outside and give your friend them.
More people there.
Who is so selfish? You think you're gonna drink everything?
Cheese and peace, man.
That there every 9 night.
Yeah.
Imagine me cook the pot of soup.
How much cup of soup you
Me cook the
drink?
pot of soup. And Miss Duffus, Miss Bailey, none of them, nobody not get none. You give all your friend them outside. Them coming tomorrow to the funeral. Because funeral, that's what I say. Funeral is a real, funeral is an event at Jamaica, you know. I don't think people don't understand
Fully.
how much of an event a funeral is. Funeral is big man thing. All people at Jamaica, I don't feel them really understand what a funeral is. I feel like them just take funeral as a sporting event, like me go out.
I mean, 'cause you have to get a fresh suit and
No, them have to
you see me?
dress
And
up.
Yeah, you have to fully dress up. And you can't dress no normal.
And you need to have that. I have to
And
tap
there's
it
a
off
colour
with the mesh
scheme.
hat.
Yes, for sure. There's a color scheme to the funeral them. In Jamaica, I notice sometimes. Sometimes it's like you have to match the casket. You see what I say? Like it's a all right. Him favorite color was baby blue. So him got in the baby blue casket. And we are gonna wear baby blue because that was him favorite color. So now the whole way out here, you have the sign, you have the big sign with the picture.
I know that you have the little button them.
Oh yeah,
Hey,
the button them go crazy.
hey, you
still,
see the little button them?
the button them with the clothes.
Brother, and there is always that one man where have 75,000 of the button them all over. The man wear the button suit.
Suit.
You ever see the man in the button suit?
That reflective.
Yo, you see man, you look, man, you have to stay so. I said, what are that?
Jabba,
Judge
bro.
that? Judge in a button suit.
Dog, sit down and really button all of them himself too, It's not a...
Brother, I don't know. Him put on the suit them first.
And then button them on?
Him put on the button them.
Oh
on
yeah,
the
and then
suit them,
put on the suit.
and then put on the suit.
Imagine how that sound like armor, bro.
But
Jaja.
yeah, big man thing.
Yeah.
9 night was just a regular occurrence for me. Me never really. Me used to look for 9 night like party. And
Like every Friday something like
every Friday is a different kind of party. And when we used to live to, we used to have a party named Cokehead Link Up. Every Thursday.
So Thursdays we have Cokehead Link Up. Friday we have 9 nights.
Mm-hmm. The
Okay.
Thursday a Cokehead Link Up.
Every Thursday.
Every Thursday.
All right. So hold that party they go.
So Cokehead Link Up. Me only gonna talk about the Cokehead them we're not here today.
Yeah, okay.
So
Okay.
we used to have a Cokehead named Beezy. Beezy was like the hot girl Cokehead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody love have Beezy. Beezy used to have like a special dance too.
Really?
Yes, she used to have a dance named the Beezy Bones.
That sound intense.
You'd have to have crazy knees to be able to do the Beezy Bones.
Really?
Yeah, the Beezy Bones. But Cokehead Link Up was it was on Thursdays. I don't think it's every Thursday. It used to be, I think it was one Thursday out of the month.
But
Every
it was
Thursday.
for sure a Thursday.
All Cokeheads in the Kingston 20 area would link up there. So
That is crazy.
Cokeheads from Marvally, Cokeheads from Pembrokeshire, Cokeheads from Sherlock, Cokeheads from Waterhouse, Cokehead from Jewsland, Cokehead from Akiwak, we would all meet up.
This is like the national cokehead community Well, not national, but like...
Bro, I used to believe that all cokeheads just appear at Pembrokeshire.
Just every Thursday, them know say this. So.
Every
I
Thursday.
mean, I don't know how big the community is, you know. It could be...
It depends, you know. Because it used to split up. So there was like bottom Pembrokeshire and top Pembrokeshire. Top Pembrokeshire was way better than bottom Pembrokeshire.
Okay.
Yeah, bottom Pembrokeshire is anyway behind the sofa.
Yeah.
So, you mean I know, okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
There's a box food place.
Yeah.
We name Sofa.
Sofa. All right.
Yeah. You see the day I shit up myself?
It was from there?
A Sofa I did eat. Yeah. Yeah, Sofa. Sofa used to sell little box food them. Nice little box lunch. But Sofa used to have it in our levels.
Is that when you did the box food with the mango?
That was when we eat the box food and the mango.
Okay, right.
Yeah, me eat the box.
It wasn't really Sofa fault, if we're being fair.
No, I blame Sofa.
I feel like you had some accountability in that situation.
Sofa used to give levels of box food, you know. So there was a $25 box food.
Yeah.
Then there was a $45 box food. And there was a $75 box food.
Man, this sound like the good times.
There was like levels to box food.
Yeah.
Yeah, $25 box food, you get 1 scoop of rice.
You can't get a $25 box food now. That's
20.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, you can't even get a box for $25. Right now, I'm not even a charge of a box for $25.
You need a couple more money, bro.
When life did simpler and things did cheaper.
Bro.
Sofa, me shit up myself. Sofa was the first place me see a man get shot. And the man will get shot, run out and say, me get shot.
Judge, shop so like it popping.
Literally.
The shop so like it popping, bro.
But
yeah, so you say behind Sofa.
Behind Sofa, that whole area go down back towards Gully.
Yeah.
Go up towards going to like the boulevard was like the festive part of Pembrokeshire.
That's where everything, action are going.
Every action. Where all the crackheads meet, we were like the cool area. You know?
Okay, so that's like that's the tone of Pembroke.
Yeah.
Okay. So
and Jabba is the Dan.
I was both for ask, so does Jabba run it? Because I feel like Jabba involved.
No, so Jabba... No, anybody out there...
Jabba is like a mythical creature at this point, you know.
People don't believe me when me talk about Jabba, you know.
Bro, I feel like I represent the comments where we don't feel like Jabba might be a real person. But a part of me believes. You know what I mean?
People, comments. If you know Jabba, please comment Jabba. Like, just leave a Jabba story.
This is like people who see Bigfoot and say, yeah, man, I see Bigfoot too.
Bro.
What you mean, man? Yeah, man, no, Bigfoot real,
bro. Man, I tell you, Jabba is a legend. Jabba cannot die.
I believe that.
No, Jabba,
I believe that for
Jabba
sure.
is immortal.
Yeah.
Jabba immortal, brother. Me say
Jabba is 375 years old.
Brother, Jabba is 978 million years old. My father know Jabba. I feel like my father know Jabba.
Ja.
Everybody know Jabba.
He's just always been there. Jabba just has always
Jabba
existed.
is a staple in the community.
Yeah.
Brother, me can tell you one whole day when bro, I wake up one morning, morning time, I see Jabba I pick up my garbage.
Yeah.
I reach a school, I see Jabba I sweep the grounds. Like the ground school man, a Pembrokeshire primary, I see Jabba do that.
Yeah.
I leave school, I go home, I see Jabba I fix somebody light, electrician. By me reach a my yard, I see Jabba I sell my grandmother Aki.
You ever watch Pokemon?
No.
Jabba sound like Nurse Joy or Officer Jenny. if you ever watch Pokemon, you go around and every Nurse Joy are the same Nurse Joy. You will leave one, there'll be like 15 Nurse Joys and they all look identical. Like exactly the same.
That is Jabba. When I know Jabba cannot die, I see Jabba climb. Anybody know those metal JPS like
the metal light post them?
Like the cement one them, the tall one them.
Yeah.
So I see Jabba, swear to God, climb to the top of that. and drop off.
All right. Why was he climbing to the top of it?
Him is an electrician.
Right. Right. Okay.
Brother,
Just
brother, me don't know
Like
what
a-
go wrong up there, but Jabba just drop from the top. The top. Him never have no equipment or nothing. Jabba does see the light post and just go so. All right, watch out, mad.
I'll fix this one.
And just climb, go up to the top. Mr. Sergeant, where is someone, Mr. Sergeant? Mr. Sergeant, this man. Where is someone, Mr. Sergeant?
Cha-cha.
And we just say, and Jabba drop out.
Damn.
And when
It's like
Jabba
a
drop out,
breadfruit.
brother, Jabba did have Jabba used to wear a jean shorts, a black Timberland,
Yeah.
and a white Marina.
I feel like we're getting more of the lore of Jabba now. You know what I mean? Like we have more of an image to Jabba
Yeah,
now.
no, yeah, see.
Yeah.
So, you know the artist named Casanova?
Yes, the
That is
rapper.
that is how Jabba look.
Yeah. Okay.
Big and thick.
Yeah.
In a one black jeans pants and one black Timberland.
Just looking like a maniac.
No socks.
Just looking like a maniac. All right.
No socks. Timberland never tie. Ever.
Mm-hmm.
Brother, when me see Jabba, I drop from the thing. And when Jabba drop on the ground, brother, me hear one woman shout out, Jesus Christ! Me just see Jabba say, so where am there?
Oh Lord, man.
Jabba just get up and just go so. I just dust off him body.
Jabba is literally immortal.
Jabba cannot die,
Jabba is immortal. Wow.
brother. Tell you.
Jabba is just, Jabba sound like a brother way. You know, in giant flesh just trying to experience different forms of life. You know what I mean? Like, Jabba is like, yo, let me just be a...
Brother, my grandmother get Jabba the work. They bridge my light already.
Mm-hmm.
We're paying the light now. But back in the days,
Once upon a time.
we used to bridge light. So Jabba would have to run the light through the mango tree to the house. And when
That sounds very dangerous.
very super dangerous.
Mhm.
Me used to have to climb it when JPS a come.
Yeah.
We used to touch
take
it with a
off.
stick for push it off. So them to see.
Yeah. Super dangerous.
And Jabba hold lamp on one side of the live wire. Dog, I want me say them thing and people think I joke, we are making up. Brother, Jabba hold lamp on one side. Jabba say, Sergeant, where is Sergeant? Sergeant. I hold lamp on the other side. And Jabba, I get shocked. And Jabba put it together. And turn it. Can you know a wire?
Yeah, I was about to say, what, bro? You talk like it's like a thread. Like,
Brother, he man hold it and put it together, brother, and turn it.
Jabba is Spider-Man.
Jabba
Jabba is literally...
Jabba is static shock. Yeah? Superhero static shock. That
Fully.
is Jabba.
Fully. That is crazy.
That is Jabba, brother.
Why?
Jabba is the greatest human in the world.
I feel like one day Jabba has to be on the podcast somehow.
Brother, if we can get, brother,
somehow Jabba have to reach for the
if we
podcast.
can get Jabba,
Mm-hmm.
I swear to you, my youth, I could have swear me see Jabba yesterday. I do some street cleaning up the street.
Probably. Probably.
Dog, Jabba is immortal,
Jaja.
omnipotent, omnipresent.
Fully. Tell him, man, a giant flesh man just a try experience another form of life, man.
Brother, but see, thing is, me always don't feel like a Jabba alone, you know. You have one named Tina Milk.
I think it
Tell
is
about
start
Tina
about
Milk,
Tina
you know.
Milk, yeah.
So Tina Milk is have the same Jabba persona,
Yeah.
but more fun.
Is there
Because we used to afraid.
a story behind the Tina Milk name?
Yeah, cause him sweet. Girl him love him. Him used to sweet. He was sweet boy.
Fair.
So
Okay.
them call him Tina Milk.
Okay.
But
It's a division.
yeah, Tina Milk was from me. No, Tina Milk. Tina Milk is a mechanic. Tina Milk is a plumber.
Mm.
Tina Milk tell me say him write Alkaline first hit.
Wow. That's crazy.
Easy, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Tin of milk, right? That's not
Tina Milk tell me, say him right. Tina Milk enter Rising Star already.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yo.
I feel like we gotta find this footage somehow.
Who remember Rising? Guys, please, Anthony Miller. Brother,
Yo, big up Anthony Miller.
Brother, me remember Anthony Miller looking for Tina Milk and say something like, my God, I think you need to try something else.
Poor Tina Milk. I'm trying to chase him dreams.
Brother, Tina Milk used to have some tag. Tum 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 tum. Tum 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 tum. He used to build a rhythm with his mouth.
Beatbox and him something.
Brother.
Also a musician for real.
Brother, the man I show him one time and I said, yo, look pan. Me na music video, you know, me na the 1, 2, 3 music video. You know, so I said, I go see Tina Milk. Man take out him phone and the man start play the music video and the man have a part when one clocks. Step in it. Brother is less than a second. Man say, see me there?
A theme clocks that I said.
Mm-hmm. I Tina Milk first, me ear say, mad! That's a Tina Milk.
That is Tina Milk style.
Yeah.
That's where you get that from.
Mad! We get that from Tina Milk. Mad! Crazy.
Tina Milk sounds like
bro,
the life of the party.
Bro, I have some Tina Milk video though.
Yeah?
I still have Tina Milk video to this day.
Oh no, we need.
Yeah, me I got to make people. All right, a lot of people don't know. There's a viral video, and comment if you know the video that I'm talking about. There's a viral video with a man. Him look up to the sky and him say, "God, you never make a mistake." Pop, pop, pop. No, that was a very viral video, and it was a meme for a while. I recorded that video. That was Tina Milk.
That was Tina Milk.
Yeah.
I need to find about that video.
Yeah, Tina Milk did it at the front of my house, and Tina Milk said, God, you never made a mistake. Pop, pop, pop.
Not the pop, pop.
Yeah. Man, I always make music.
Soundtrack too. Dun, dun,
Man, I always make music. Tina Milk are the first man to teach me about the power of the mind. Yeah, Tina Milk tell me, say, yo, deal it in your mind. One day we are run a boat on the road. Brother, we are cook dumpling and curry. We cook curry chicken and dumpling.
For the second and third tier, run a boat means cooking a large amount of food outside for usually a group. In a
very unorthodox way.
Yes. So this is like almost like a camping style.
Yes. So
you know what I mean?
Running a boat is basically majority of the time when a boat is being run, the boys them rude. I just some rude young people were annoying.
Yeah, they're supposed to be somewhere else.
We're not supposed to be there.
Yeah.
But we are run a boat.
Yeah. It's crazy how that's worded to running a boat. Why we say it like that?
Not floating a boat.
Not floating a boat, we are run a boat.
We are running a boat. Brother, one day we are running a boat and you know, every man have to contribute something to the boat. So
yes.
Some man put together by the rice, some man put together by the chicken.
Is that why we call it a boat?
Probably. Because
everybody have to chip in.
Everybody have to do something. Yeah, if you not do nothing,
you're
probably not gonna ever can run the boat. If you not do nothing, you're not gonna get nothing out of the boat. All if some man cook. Yeah. So every man a contribute to the boat. Yeah. And we run up in our problem. Because when we are cook the boat, the wood where we use and start the fire, it like start broke way. So I would put it between two block whenever I use coal. Okay. So what gonna happen was the wood burn out so much that the pot start lean sideways. Oh. And no man no have nothing.
No glove. Okay.
And the food are like
and this is like clearly a Dutchie.
And the Dutch pot.
Yeah.
And the fire is blazing like the fire engulf the pot.
Right.
Okay. All the way start worry. Yeah. And no man no want to put the man in it because the fire there. So if we get a mitts or anything,
it'll go burn the
mitts. So we start laugh because we say we lose the food. Yeah. Because the whole of the food in a flip. I talk about, brother, you know, like, have you ever watched 10 Commandments when Moses meet the fire in the you know, Ten Commandments.
Yeah.
10 Commandments when Moses meet the fire. I used to the fire ablaze.
Yeah, that fire there.
That fire there. And that's so we look upon the Dutch part like we said, John, oh, it gone.
Yeah, this is over. This
Done.
This is, we can't save this.
Brother, Tina Milk I walk down the road. And I say, yo, Tina Milk, what you need? Milk forward, come in, milk. And milk forward. Normally we just tell him, so yo, Jabba tune.
Yeah.
Time would have the rhythm them with the mouth and you know.
Then just vibes.
So we that get so laugh.
Mm-hmm.
So we say, yo, Tina Milk, we need it, you know. Food that burn up. Oh, we can't take this out. Tina Milk say, but we don't see what I want. You know, this is some mind thing or something. A mind control in a baby deal. Mind control. So I say, what do you mean by mind control? Tina Milk say,
Lord.
but Guinness says a mind control baby deal. Cause him talk like this.
He's very like,
yeah.
Tina Milk sound like he could be like a hotep
Yeah, like him
conspiracy theory type, brother.
Man say, baby deal, Guinness say in your mind. It's a mind control. So me I say, what you talking about? So Tina Milk say so. All right, say, me take it out and give me some of the food, right? Say, yeah. Tina Milk say, all right, watch ya. Brother, Tina Milk stay so and just take off him shirt. Remind a blazing fire, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Tina Milk stays and take off him shirt and go so. So what you gonna do, Tina Milk? Take picture? Tina Milk say, no man. Just relax.
Man, I calculate the flames right now.
No, brother. The man take him finger them and rub it in at the middle of the road. How we I say? No, this something about this off.
Yeah, this
not right.
Okay.
I say, why Tina? I say, yo, Tina Milk, go on, brother. The man but talk about graveling of the road never even good enough. The road off.
Like fully, like a rub out in
Man,
your
I
hand.
rub it. Man say, yo, let me show you something in your mind. So the man walk over to the blazing fire, brother, and put him on in the blazing fire and hold on to the side of the Dutch pot them
Wow.
and lift it out. And the man had the hot pot in his man. I
In
look
your
back.
mind.
Yo, bear in mind, you know, when we see him do it, you know, Jamaican say, every man stays so.
Boom! After.
Yo, everyone I say, yo, this car real.
Dog.
Superman.
Yo, what you on make out of?
Brother, yes, when the man lift it up, man, I talk to it. Man, I say, yo, it's in on the mind. But the thing is, it's in on the mind. Which one we put it down? And we say, can't cross the road, can't cross the road. Man says, I walk across the road with a hot pot in my man.
Wow.
Brother.
Man, it's in your mind, bro.
I'm
right.
telling you, I know there's something wrong with him. The pot did so hot that it started get red. Yo.
This is a molten pot.
No, the pot
Right, the pot hot.
Brother.
Like, it's hot, bro.
The pot hot. Brother, the heat start transfer from the pot. When I look, you see Tina Milk finger them red like the pot.
Ja. But that's in your mind,
Man, I
bro.
said in your mind. So we say, yo, Tina Milk, put down the pot now. Man, I said, just hold on, man, it's in your mind. Brother, the man look like it's stuck
like
on the pot.
Him can't let go the pot.
like it's so hot that him hand stuck on the pot.
Him hand probably cook to the pot now, you know.
Brother.
You know, like you cook piece of chicken pan the, you see me?
Tina Milk hold the pot in him hand.
The man hand stuck.
For at least 30 seconds.
Damn.
30 seconds.
Man, them finger they cook, man.
30 seconds.
Him probably couldn't let go. You ever put piece of chicken in a pot without Elliott and try to move it? It man not cook, bro. 30 seconds? Yeah, man, you have to wait a little bit.
Brother.
Man a brown.
When the man take it off, so the man take off him man, brother. So the man talk to you for your side night. So we say, yo, you want some of my food, right? Tina Milk say, yeah man. So we say, yo, a man go for your plate for get Tina Milk. Man say, no, man, what kind of plate? I said, no. What you gonna do now? Well, we don't know. Brother, we take out. Bear in mind, we are worried that the food did burn up, you know. But it never done cook it, you know.
I was about to ask, cause
the meat not done.
The flame just too high.
The flame be just too high.
Yeah.
The meat not done, and the dumpling done. The dumpling, brother, We just drop it in the dumpling. The dumpling are done,
the
brother.
raw flour.
Tina Milk say, no man, me have to move right now. So, remember get what me forget right now. So we stay so man get Tina Milk 3 of the brother.
Like
A
the
flour
rice.
the man eat. The man do thing like a vacuum. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Man say, yo, I have to eat right now, brother.
Right, brother, the man not take no plate. The man not take no plate, brother. We give the man the dumpling in him hand. One. Out of the hot water. It's in your mind. It's in your mind.
Brother, a hot dumpling crazy, you know?
A hot, uncooked.
A hot raw dumpling is
a hot,
insane.
uncooked dumpling. But after that, we start calling man, it's in your mind. Every time we sit in a milk, he man say, we say, yo, it's in a milk. He man turn him and say, it's in your mind.
Tina Milk are real youth.
Tina Milk always have to remind me, say it in my mind.
And him right, you know. Him right, you know. It's crazy how sometimes you can get, you know, very deep advice from like all the crackheads.
Brother, there was so much crackheads where me come from, dog. Me just want to know if them living same way.
Yeah.
You know, 'cause me know Jabba can't dead.
I mean, Jabba would have to be human for him dead.
Yeah, and Jabba not human. Jabba probably, you know, Jabba probably at work at NASA or something.
Probably. It might have like secret information.
Yeah.
Right?
Tina Milk, me don't know if Tina Milk human to eat, I know. Me don't even go downplay Tina Milk and humanness. You know?
Yeah, Tina Milk sound like he may be human, but maybe him transcend, like, you know.
I have whole eat, man. We have Slasher P.
Slasher P.
Mm-hmm.
That's like an
that too.
artist name.
Yeah, man, mad. Slasher P.
Slasher P.
Mm-hmm. Jesus.
Just Jesus?
Yeah, we have a cocaine named Jesus. Yeah, Jesus.
No.
When we see him,
just Jesus.
bro, you're seeing Jesus. Me see that man, they float. Go buy a crack already. We see them man, they say crack.
Just levitate.
Brother, yo,
Fair.
let me tell you this. Say no to drugs, yeah? Say no to drugs.
Say no.
Say no to drugs, brother.
Boy.
Cause some things that me see crackhead do. Brother, me see Jesus ride a bicycle without wheel. No tube.
Just bar.
Just the metal.
Just the metal,
spokes.
just the rim.
Mm-hmm. Dash fire to ching, ching, ching. Man, I shot it down the road. Ching, ching, ching.
Damn. You know, you gotta get there. You gotta.
You have to get there.
You have to get there.
You have to get there.
Yo, I feel like Jamaica have some of the most like best characters in like of the people that I've met. Jamaicans have to be like,
bro. There was a man in my community that was like a porn addict, a big
like,
man, a porn addict.
Is he one of the man that will have like a treasure trove?
Like,
oh, he was that guy,
bro. Listen to me. We are liquor you to them.
Mm-hmm.
You see, if you want like mess with him, his dog all walk past.
Mm-hmm.
You say, yo, we have them, you know. Invites you to find.
Mm.
You say, yo, me have the bad blues. Me have some bad blues, you know. You know him say, what you say? Which part them there?
There's nothing wrong.
And the man talk and whisper. Man say, baby deal, you have any of the new one them way that I talk about? Me I say, yo, porn can't so addictive.
I said, no, man, I said,
yeah, talk too loud.
Oh.
Them man talk super soft. What you talk about? Baby deal, me have some of the new porn them, you know, Pinky? Me have some Pinky, you know, look on them here. Brother, the man, I kid you not, the man have, them kind of DVD are selling a little plastic.
Mm-hmm.
There is none where the man not have.
I feel like we're missing the DVDs in
the DVD era, though.
Yeah, the DVD era was like quite an era. Like, remember the DVD guy?
The DVD, my DVD, the
like,
the DVD guy from me come from his name Kirk.
Okay.
Kirk is a DVD guy.
It's like
Every DVD,
anything you want. Anything
brother,
you want.
Missy Kirk I sell a show where I say in theaters June 15.
It not out yet.
And Kirk have it.
Have it. And it's it, you know.
The real thing too.
Crazy.
Even though sometimes we all watch Kirk DVD and we see like a man get up in a theater so.
Yo. It's so crazy. I feel like people who never watch DVDs before, like bootleg DVD.
Brother, we say Kirk, I want to be sure, Kirk. Yo,
Yeah, I just-
half
yeah.
I show one man I walk around.
I walk
like,
through.
so.
It's the people.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Don't get all the one them with the ads in the middle, you know.
Brother,
You see me?
brother, we used to watch Kirk DVD to Bombata with us a year in the background. Tim. I'm on phone
I'm
a
on
ring,
a
I'm on
ring off.
Nokia. No, I'm on Nokia ring.
I when the camera all shift a little bit, you see me? Cause them have
Brother.
to put on the camera at the right.
Brother,
You see me?
brother, I remember when the first what a movie the name with the blue people them? Avatar.
Avatar, yeah.
Brother, remember when Avatar just come out and Kirk sell away Avatar CD. And when I watch it, I'm just hear
Somebody phone a ring off.
And dog Nokia in there ring.
Jaja.
Me I try watch a movie, I'm just hear beat. Me I say, yo.
You can't even tell him for turn it down, cause it that
Cause he mean at the movie.
some movies, and I don't know, maybe you might agree or not, but I feel like some movies were better.
Bandulo.
For sure. Like, Matrix was better.
The Bandulo version.
The
of
Bandulo
Matrix.
version. Any like action movie.
Transformers them did bad.
Bad.
Bandulo.
Bandulo. When you watch the HD one, them
Them disappoint. Yo,
it kind of lose some of the.
it's so sad that I got so used to watching like them DVD there in some mess up color. When
Yeah.
me I see them on good TV now, me I say I don't movie this.
Yeah, this even look like.
What? This I don't own me watch this.
No, this even right. You ever watch what the Angelina Jolie movie? with
Tomb
them
Raider?
No man, the one with them a bend the bullet. You don't remember that one there?
Wanted. Yeah.
Wanted. Yo, when them bad
Brother.
bullet spin all, shoot all 9 people. Yeah man, you wanna
I
see
can
that?
tell you
bootleg.
from like 2008 to 2011, a Kirk make me watch any show will come out between that time. There.
Yeah man.
2008 to 2000. Remember, brother? You see how
That
when
was prime DVD time.
prime DVD time when me I watch an African movie them. Life so unfair.
Yo, the comments them go crazy last time. Like, please don't sing this song.
Sunshine, a ray of hope.
Jaja.
Yo, that sound like it's sad in the dog.
Sad.
Don't you see?
Hard.
You're my sister.
I feel like I watch certain movie now and it's just like
The movie
quality-
them now hit again.
the quality too is like it too good. The color them
The movie them now tell no real life story like when me did young, brother.
facts. It's like it's too. I don't know what I try to find now, but we need some.
Brother,
we need some real movies.
Brother, me
again,
used to
brother.
watch, brother, me wake up morning time and see my grandmother watch African show. And come back from school and see her watch the same African show. I said, Grandma, what is? She said, oh no, man, it's a part 7. I said, what do you mean it's a
Brother.
part 7?
Somebody showed me some, I guess you'd call them home filmmakers on YouTube, some Jamaican ones. Brother, I decide to watch one of them. And when I tell you, say, I got so engulfed in this stupidness of this show. About 9 episodes, I sit down and watch, you know.
That got him.
Got him. Yeah, man. The natty I live with, the natty have him girl and him girlfriend moving and him end up breed the two of them and now them not know about none of them. So, you know, about try it, work it out, but
Brother.
meanwhile, fee money get thief.
I saw me want.
Yeah, man.
I saw me want on just a watch with podcast hopelessly. Just a watch.
Just Watch.
Just a watch. And I said, wait, why am I still a watch this?
Yep.
Yeah, I
15 episodes.
I said, wait, when we there episode 20?
And you watch all of them.
Because it completely nostalgic.
Yeah, fully.
Every
Fully.
community in the history of Jamaica have a DVD man, the electrician, the plumber, the mechanic.
You know who me did always want to ask about? The perfume man them. But what am I do? What's happening there? I remember being in Portmore.
And a man can tell you every kind of perfume.
Every kind, but also I remember people going around collecting perfume buckle.
Yeah.
So
a rum buckle. One time when you drink a Heineken, you know.
Yeah.
When you put it on the ground, you know, you can't go back to take it up again, you know.
That gone.
A man take that, you know.
Gone, fully gone.
$1 buckle, you know, or something like that, you know.
Yeah, man. Them are recycle your buckle for sure.
Cases.
Yeah, man. Fully.
Brother, but now I still, I have a neighbor who that store them for long, and my teeth for all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, my teeth for all of them. Me and my friend them.
Why? So what you do with the buckle? Them? You go cash them out?
When I sell them and buy one bicycle, brother.
Imagine this person have them buckle.
Me don't even care.
I say, yo,
Me don't even care. Me the thief all their buckle them. Me not even gonna call their name. But remember when they that complain say missing all their buckle them? Me and my friend them thief all their buckle them. We thief about 30 case of buckle. I did some Guinness and some Heineken buckle.
Them old people are most tired of you.
Brother, we thief all of them. We thief all our buckle. Miss Bailey. Miss Bailey, I stole those bottles, okay? I'm an adult now. I stole those bottles, Miss Bailey.
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do about it now, Miss Bailey? I stole those bottles. Me and my friends, I'm not gonna call their names, but we stole those bottles, Miss Bailey.
Poor Miss Bailey. Poor Miss Bailey.
All the Dragon Stout bottle them where you put on and the Heineken bottle them, we stole them.
All of them. Brand new bicycle.
I was a kid. I bought some bicycles.
Some bicycles?
As a matter of fact, I probably stole that bicycle too. I fixed up the bicycle. Them say confession is good for the soul.
True.
Every time I sit down and I say, damn, I was a terrible child. I was a terrible. Oh, Lord.
You hear like, thank God that turned a new leaf.
I was a terrible. Oh, my Lord. You couldn't leave a bicycle and me to thief it.
You can't leave a buckle, apparently.
I'm gone with it.
That's crazy.
Me to thief from friend, though.
Yeah.
But stranger?
Stranger.
Oh, God, I'm taking that shit.
Stranger is fair game.
I'm taking that shit. Okay?
Gotcha. So, all right.
It was easy for thief bicycle, don't worry.
No, but when I want to ask about the perfume man, them man. Come, bro, a long time me a puzzle this, you know. When you come on me yard and go, yo, you know, an empty perfume buckle. What are they doing with those perfume
buckles? Them carry
buckles?
it, go full them up.
With what?
Them carry them go town. And full them up.
With what?
One perfume place that they will make perfume.
And then just sell back the fake perfume in that buckle?
Yeah. That was how it always was.
Me never buy it.
See, because you don't know about like Ray Ray and them. You don't know about Ray Ray. You know Ray Ray?
Me hear about Ray Ray. I've never gone to Ray Ray.
Okay, Ray Ray is a Ray Ray. I don't know if Ray Ray still exists.
That's
if you're
like
in
a
the
thrift
comments,
store,
let me know. Thrift.
Well, I mean, technically that would be.
Ray,
that what it
Ray
would be?
Ray was where you could have get the baddest used clothes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ray Ray.
Yeah, it's like a thrift store.
Yeah, we never call it that though. We call it Ray Ray.
Thrift store is the Yankee name.
No, we are called Ray Ray, Ray Ray. Don't mix up Ray Ray with nothing. Down a town, Ray Ray. Rumlane, I think Ray Ray used to live on.
If you call it a thrift store, Ray Ray could have probably put on too much money on it because a thrift, no, it's...
Can't know a thrift.
No, it's a thrift store. You feel me? No, it's a curated selection.
No. Another one though.
No, we want all clothes.
No, we want all clothes. Pupina.
Straight. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Jaja.
My cousin used to always buy a Ray Ray.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Andra got every funeral in the world.
The funeral I keep and Andra is just...
Andra was responsible for letting us know who dead.
She's like the
Andra,
funeral
Andra, no.
coordinator.
There has never been a Sunday for like a 2-year stretch that I don't see Andra going to a funeral.
Wow. Wow. You know, you're saying, Miss
Andra know everybody were dead. Andra
Miss
come
Thing
and
they drop out.
Andra come and say, baby deal. Baby deal, you know, go up the road, you know, call them have some, see them have some curry goat up there, you know, from the dead yard, you know. I said, Andra, we was there last night. No, Andra not make no funeral, miss her. That was her thing.
The funeral, them nice, man. The curry goat.
She would
The curry
know
goat.
there is not one person business in the community where she don't know about.
People that talk like that know everybody business, you know.
Anybody,
The draw, that little them know everybody business.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
She used to have a friend named Shirley.
Shirley.
Oh God. Me used to wonder if she and Shirley are enemy.
What, she attack all of Shirley business?
Every time. And Shirley would have been like our place of refuge.
So why would
But she and Shirley good friends, you know, Shirley.
What is that
Big
dynamic?
Big up Shirley.
What is that dynamic of hating each other, but y'all are like friends? You know what I mean? Like
Friends.
that's your best friend, you know. Nobody else can diss them, you know.
Friends. I used to see my granny do it all the time. I used to see my grandmother sit down and vividly like complain like, Jesus Christ, me can't bother with such and such. And then I see that at the gate and my grandmother just be like, you know, so me just see that top boy, yeah?
Yo, I always worry when people say that, you know. Yo, you know something just a talk about you.
No, me I wonder, what you did I say?
What you did a talk about though?
No, what were you
What
really
were you saying? 'Cause they never tell you what them did I say about
No,
you. Them just
never.
say we just a talk about you a while ago.
Never.
So say what? No, just I tell him say, I know you, man.
This is say me know you.
Sure.
That is exactly what we did I talk about. How much we know you.
Yeah, say you're a thief.
Yes.
You know, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. I feel like a lot of these characters, because there was always like the broomy.
There's always a roommate too.
There's always the rumhead, you know. There's always Peanut Man, you know. There's always like a bunch of different characters.
Brother, there's a roommate man named Jimmy where me come from. When me feel like there's Jimmy and there was Uncle Ira. Uncle Ira and Jimmy are not here right now. And I really believe that is because them stopped drink.
If they had kept drinking.
If them did continue drink, them would have there right now today.
So
He used to have a phrase. Uncle Ira used to say, everybody want go heaven, but when nobody no want blood clot dead.
that was his favorite thing.
Everybody want go heaven, but nobody no want dead. Every time. And the man would have stagger up. My grandmother, I think I'm a grandmother brother or I'm a grandmother uncle, one of them. But Uncle Ira, yo, more while,
Drunk.
you see, if you get a conversation with Uncle Ira, he might have to swing first. So say we ask Uncle Ira a question. So we say, yo, Uncle Ira, what time now Uncle Ira gonna say so? Let me tell you something.
He must a bad rock.
Let me tell you something about time, baby deal. You see, time no wait for nobody.
Philosophical still, you know.
Yo!
Philosophical still, you know.
When
Don't
the man
feel
they
like
give
some
me now.
foolishness, you know.
When the man they give you a game, you know.
You see me? Don't feel like some foolishness about that talking, bro.
Brother, one day my grandmother complained, say like, me love road too much on them thing there, brother. And the man called me one side. Me I say, yo, the man I go, Uncle Ira, serious now. The man say, yo, let me tell you something, young boy. Young boy, let me tell you something. Them say, young boy no know storm here.
Oh, Clara. Yep.
You see, if You keep on a go outside. Somebody gonna come inside for you. I say, Uncle Ira, slow down and talk to me straight. Let me understand
Get it together.
what I try to say. I genuinely believe that when him stop, and when him stop drink, he kill him.
That's, I mean, you know, life hard, bro. You know, the reality.
Me can tell
The
you,
reality of life could have check in.
I've probably seen Uncle Ira like 5 years out of my life consistently.
Yeah.
And I have never in my life seen him sober.
Just
You know the man that
consistently.
went drunk like anytime?
Me have a bridging, come used to go the hard school out of Papin, VTDI.
So go VT there.
Yeah. You have a bridging, where you used to go school over there. Dog drunk literally all the time. Bro.
And him go school?
Yeah.
That's sad.
Bro, him used to drink red label wine constantly. Like him would have forward and
You might try to turn out the trills.
the trills, you know. He must start him there with the trills, you know. Bro, the dog will come in drunk. His brother way. I'm gonna talk through him teeth.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna talk through him teeth. Yo.
the finger. The finger. No, yeah, think about something to say.
I got the cook shop there forward. Like,
Yo, me
alright.
can't, me can't do it. Listen, drunk people to me.
Some heavy breathing, bro. Like if I try to hold it together.
Drunk people kind of hard to deal with.
Yeah.
And that.
Yeah.
Drunk people hard to deal with. Even, I come out foreign, my father have a drunk friend named Richie. Richie always drunk too. Yo, the way the man drunk every time, we call the man Richie Tesla.
I always charge up.
No, Richie Tesla, you know why?
Why?
Brother, I see that man that drink and drunk already. That man that drink, this is when we know it, like, Richie drink Corona and white rum.
Madman.
Real nephew, white rum and Corona.
That's, don't get me wrong, sound like a boom mix.
Kind of like steel bottom.
Yeah. Sound like a boom mix, but
No.
crazy.
Brother, yo, me see
Crazy.
that man that drink and drunk so much that one time him sit down in him car and go so. Home. The man,
just
man,
care. Just do your
man
thing.
sit down in him car and say, home. Brother, the man
Well,
car,
expect the car for just
that's why we call him Richie Tesla, because him always make it home.
somehow.
Somehow.
Does he drive a Tesla?
No, you're mad. Richie, that man there, you're mad. You're mad. A trade man. No, I drive a Tesla.
Tesla, no, true.
Drive a
True.
Tesla. You're some man, a caravan. Look at a caravan. Some man that carry Tesla.
I always want to know what mechanics think about them electric car there, you know. I feel like every mechanic hate electric car.
Brother, me know for a fact my father never worked on a Tesla before.
Just never.
I'm gonna think me think my father would have probably mash up the Tesla.
Probably.
Because my father no have like patience with people. So say for instance, my father tell us, yo, put this right here, so. See if him come back and him see it right here, so. You can hear him say, "You're Bridget, I'm gonna make a telephone the same thing, Bridget." I say, yo, I'm not thinking that like severe. You know what? Stop talk to me. Come out of my place. Come out of my place. I say, yo.
Like, what out of this for?
Brother, and my father the reason why I can't do mechanic work, you know. When me just come out from my father try to teach me, you know.
And just no patience to teach you.
Brother, my father try to tell me to change the aisle. Out like the man show me some man say, yo, Dale, this are the aisle pan, this are the aisle filter. We jack up the car. You can use the slider, we slide it under the all you have to do. turn the oil pan with your hand, and then the oil will come out. That is how we change the oil filter. Brother, me go under the car, I'm not lie. The first bolt when me see what look like it can screw. And that me screwing up. Like transmission brother.
Transmission fluid like dirt.
Brother. Brother, you see me pull that? A beer transmission fluid that come out. Brother, what am I face? Beer oil. Beer transmission oil. But me not say nothing to him because I think me do the right thing.
Right, you think of that you're supposed to do.
Exactly so.
Right.
You know, me empty it and then me put the engine oil in a transmission. Then put the engine oil in a transmission.
So you mash up a car.
I'm going to pour brake fluid in the part where the engine oil is supposed to go.
Car mash up. That done. That not done.
No, here happen. So when my father reach, me happy. Cause him come and him see everything done. Him come and him say, me take the car off of the jack, put down the car, everything. Feel proud. But I said, start it, let me hear it there.
Oh no.
Brother, the man just started, let me hear it. Brother, me hear. Boom.
Oh Lord.
Brother.
That done. That's over.
Brother, when me put the car in a drive, I me see car like it reverse. Yo.
It's over.
Yo, me know I'm a press drive. It's like the car want go so. Me I say, yo. Brother, the gear them a slip.
Yeah, man. Slippery.
Man, give me an Altima for work pan, man.
Oh, that, yeah, man.
Man, give me a Nissan Altima
man, that's
for work
over.
pan.
That's over.
Brother, transmission a
for
slam.
yeah, man. That's
Boom.
done. And
Boom.
And the Altima, them transmission are always, it always are the problem
Brother,
too.
from them days, my father never, ever, my father said, Dale, let me tell you something. You see, you know, you don't make out for them working. That is a deal. You don't make out for them working. Me no want to see nowhere near none of them things. See, anywhere you're there,
just
call
loud.
me.
Yeah, man.
Call me.
Cause you are going just call me, please.
Brother,
Don't touch nothing.
One day I met my father upset in that. My father tell me, say, yo, Dale, don't drive. I just come foreign. I know I'm not vexed, you know.
Yeah.
But him just meet me.
right. So.
Just, me remind him meet me like about 3 days now, me meet my father.
Yeah.
Father say, yo, Dale, say, yo, I check a girl. Girl tell me that she live at Okeechobee. Now, anybody will know Florida. Father live at Palm Beach. Bro.
That's a
bro.
drive in a dog.
Okeechobee is not close. Okeechobee is very far, bro.
Okeechobee, you know what's so crazy about the name Okeechobee? I used to hear people saying it, and I used to think of it like a makeup word.
Yeah, Okeechobee
for me
though.
far.
Brother, when the girl tell me just live at Okeechobee, I say, well, me have a car.
Yeah.
One hour bad. You know, me just come from Jamaica. Yeah, I say 1 hour drive.
No.
1 hour in America feel like 7 hours. You know?
Fully.
1 hour in America far.
Yeah, man. Full. You're in a whole other city, you know. That's a whole different landscape.
When we put it in on the GPS, I see it's a 1 hour 20 minutes. I say, mad. Simple drive. Father look for him, father say, Dale, don't carry the Altima too far. Make sure you say some round town driving you do. Because, you know, the Altima transmission are good. Make sure you say some round town driving.
Yeah.
Brother, me drive. Me watch your GPS and me see it's a 1 hour 20. Me I say,
that's not bad.
You know what me do? Hear me now? Me I say, but if me like a drive around town for 1 hour and 20 minutes.
It would have been like the same.
Me I say, but I the same. So if me like a drive around town for 1 hour and 20 minutes, me can drive, go walk it through and come back.
Yeah.
Brother.
Mind you, this is now like That now becomes 2.5
No,
hours.
no. Bear in mind, this is 11, like 15 in the night. Tell me I gonna link the girl at Okeechobee.
Right. Okay.
Most on front me I go find her.
Have to be.
Brother, when me jump in the car, I drive. Could I know say something off, you know? Because you see, every time me pull up to a stoplight, me just hear like a slam, like whoom. Me I say, why that slam like that? Every time I come to a stop, me hear like something a knock, so boom. Me I say,
okay.
Thing good. So me I drive, and on the way to Okeechobee, dog, it take you off of the night, it take you off of the highway now.
Yeah.
Me depend like one little
road.
Brother, me feel like me I drive through the freaking Everglades. Like the Florida Everglades.
Yeah.
Me start wonder why me I go to that girl here.
Yo.
Because it's only two sides to the road. My side and that side, I want red. And there is no gas station, nothing me in the middle of nowhere. I drive to this girl. I drive
I
through
don't feel
some
like I set
old
up after a
town.
while.
Brother, about 40 minutes in the drive, me I say, why am I doing this? This is not good. Why am I out here? This is country.
This better, this better fire, you know.
This better be worth it.
Yo, this after worth it.
It wasn't though. But moving on. Because I got nothing. I got absolutely nothing.
Just a drive. Just
a drive out.
Just a long drive in a terrible car.
Brother, me drive. Go all the way out there. And right when me reach the girl yard, and a time for left, come in I get nothing. Me sit down and me talk to the girl for about an hour. And me put the car mirror, mirror, boom. The girl say, "Is everything okay?" Me say, let me get another start again.
Yeah.
This car start.
Yeah. I said, all right.
When me put the car in a drive and press go, me hear, the car now go nowhere. Me I say, yo, the car, me have to wait for the car. Hear me now? All right.
Just give it a second.
Give it a second feet go in a drive. Because all me I pray to God, me I say, God, just don't make me have to call my father right now.
Because anyhow you have to call him.
Because anyhow me have to call him. I tell him, say, yo, I Okeechobee this car brought down with me. Dog. Me dead, eh? I mean, I said, John, this nah go work. I have to go call daddy. Because the car in a drive and the car nah move. Brother, the girl all like help me push the car.
Not a good look.
Me not care.
I mean, no, she have to help, no, cause
No, she have to help.
yeah, my driver hour and 20. You do something,
But
you
yo,
know, my girl.
honestly, me ask her for help me.
Yeah, but should I have to help, Regine?
Brother, you see when me I try to push car now, brother, when me call my father don't really get vexed with anything like that. When me call my father around 1 o'clock. Me hear the man wake up. Say, what go on? The daddy, you know, say, car now move. Man say, all right then. Which part you there? Oh, but not. No.
Which part am I there?
Yo, you see, me say to the man, me say,
when I there?
walk Okeechobee, man say. Okeechobee? Me the man say, where the bomber clock you know Okeechobee? Yo.
Cha-cha.
I'm telling the man say, they are Okeechobee. The man say, looking at the back of the car, you see one blanket, you know.
God, that's some tomorrow thing.
Man say, looking at the back of the car, you see one blanket, you know. Cause tomorrow before me come for you, you know. Girl, girl here, all of that, you know. Me I say, well, I have to sleep over just today, you know.
Yeah.
Father tell me, say, yo, it's about 1:30.
In the morning.
About 3 o'clock. Me hear him call me and him say, which way I say there again? Say, Okeechobee. Him say, what the address? Check the address. Send it to him. Him say, all right, me there 20 minutes. So it look like him know Okeechobee there.
Yeah.
So it's like him left out.
Like him left out already, and all right.
Him left out and say, Yeah, that time I like 20. So I say, God. Dog, I have to drive, come pick me up and walk it
That is such a Jamaican thing. Yo, you have to go sleep over there.
And then help you.
And then, you know, say, hang up the phone and go.
God.
I have to go get that youth and know in the car. Because him just reach and how do that Okeechobee? What you do at Okeechobee?
But know that is exactly what happened.
I forgot go feed me now.
Like man say, yo, you're there by your own, you know.
But him know same car if you're by your own. I'm not going to hear the night if something happened to you at Okeechobee.
Oh, God. if something happened to me at Okeechobee, a theme fault.
It's absolutely your fault.
A theme fault,
yeah, man.
send me there at Okeechobee.
It's like, watch it, 3 days and him last at Okeechobee and him car broke down. Why?
Why? Brother, my father are the most forgetful man. Like, the first time my father give me a car for driving, you know, when me reach halfway to Miami, you know, man call me, you know. You know when something wrong happen, yeah, expect panic. Father come, father say, yo, you know, say, the 45 in our glove compartment and the AK in our trunk, so just take your time and drive. I hang up. I have to call him back. No, man.
What?
I have to call him back. No.
Take time with me and Jack.
Brother.
What?
Brother. I'm there on the highway. Bro, it was such a good, brother, I have such a good time.
Yeah.
Just come out foreign, me I listen to Florida music separate, different, you know. Florida play one set of music.
Fully.
Me I drive and me I hear, all eyes on me. I need your attention. Just come out foreign. Put your body on me.
Yeah.
And some little, back in them days, it was like some 305 song did I play. Some song like, I like the way you move your body. I'ma just stay the way you move it, yo. Brother.
Florida vibes is still enough.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow. How you making up the pool? In them little ass shorts. Brother, there used to be a party we keep Miami name Runway. Me a drive guy Runway.
Yeah.
Friend them I say, yo, we need to go Runway. Some say, bam. Draw for the Altima, me a shot guy Runway in the Altima. Them time when transmission fix now.
Yeah, all right, good to go now.
Brother, man just call me casually.
I say, oh, by the way.
The 45 in our glove compartment and the AK in the trunk. So just take your time and drive here and just hang up. Brother, there was a sink.
All fun just stopped.
All
fun just. You were up here. You better bring it back right here.
Drop. Because hear this man to me. When we talk up the phone, I call him and say, brother, when you tell me that to do? We just turn on my indicator and pull over on the side of the highway. Come here, I said, no. No, you said that too cool.
Yeah. What you say a while ago? When you call me a while ago?
I'm call him. Hear him no? No, man. Remember, you know, car register in my name, you know, and my thing, you know. Just tell him, say, that you're a car, police pull you over. I said, but that's a whole heap of hackling, though.
Yeah, that sound like you have to go. Come identify me at the
that sound like that sound like me might get away, but me I gonna get arrested.
Yeah, for sure.
And then you are gonna have to come and pick me up. And me I say, but why we have to go through all of that? Why would I just, you know, me say, Daddy, I am not moving from here. Please.
Come get me right now.
Come get me right now and come take them from me.
I'm not moving another step.
Me not drive another centimeter. Brother, the man have to drive, come pick me up. Man drive, come down, and take them from me, and me continue me drive.
So just drive, just go and take time, drive.
Man say, just take time. I say, what kind of?
That is the Jamaican driving advice of all time. Take time, drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The transmission not too good still, I need new brakes, so take time. Just take time. You can do it still, you know.
Just take your time and go up the road.
Just take your time and go up the road, cause you know, the belt might have super pop, but just take your time. You good.
The thing is, being the child of a mechanic, you're desensitized to car certain way.
Yeah.
Because of how me see my father treat car. Yeah. The way how easily a car can like come and go from father. Me look on car like, oh, chow.
Okay, just a vehicle.
Any kind of car now. From the nicest one to the worst one, car to bike.
Car just car.
Car just car. You just drive it. Everybody car too.
Yeah.
Me say. Because any customer just know to me drive them car. Yeah. Any customer.
Once you brought a car there, may I drive your car?
Once you did bring a car, come, brother, I could have 7 car in a parking lot. May I pick whichever one more and drive.
That's the best perk still.
No, it's not a perk. It's illegal. Why?
It's absolutely illegal, but it's a quiet perk of being a mechanic, I feel like.
You can just drive. You
just drive. You have to test the car to make sure the car...
To make sure the car move.
The car move, you know what I mean? You expect the car to move when you come back, right? When you go pick up the car.
Test drive.
Yeah, have a test drive. So, if me I got Susie's,
brother,
you know, say, can make a trip to Susie's at least.
Brother,
you know
one day I have a show at Atlanta.
Me
have a comedy show at Atlanta last year, September. And my father test drive a car, come up there.
From Florida.
I'm back. I said, Daddy, you know, man, you see, I engine mischange, you know. So,
you have to know, so the
engine
have to
make
good.
sure so the engine good. So, I must say the best way to
it's know
so the
drive,
engine
man.
good, him get a long drive.
So that hour?
16 hour, 8 hour cook. Evil.
But you know, say good now, you know. That is undeniably, you know.
But no, him fix it.
Yeah.
It costs you maybe 1,500 miles. But him fix it.
It's good, you know what I mean? But no, it's been tested for 1,500 miles, so you know, so that's a quality assurance. You know,
it nah stop.
Man, that nah stop. You see me? Me drive it, go we out, you see me? Make sure say you're good.
Brother, mechanic are the best. Mechanic are the best. People, let me tell you something. Just love the format of our podcast, you know, because there is no format.
Yeah, man, this is just reasoning.
This is just our reason. So make sure you tune in every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We might just drop it to Monday and Friday because people, a lot of people say you can't keep up. People say them
people
can't
in the
keep
comments
up.
that talk about dog. I just wake up and the man post the next one, yo, as you post it, man, yo.
Exactly. So what me want to know is, me want to find what the best formula for them is a Monday, Friday, the best formula for them, or should we just keep the Monday, Wednesday, Friday?
Yeah. Let us know in the comments. Yeah.
The comments. Let me know the Monday, Wednesday, Friday, want to need. You know them with it. And don't afraid for comment on the topics them too, you know, because we are going to talk about anything.
Yeah, they be giving some good...
They might give some sick topic, but
some good things in the comments, you know what I mean?
All right, then, people, we're out of here.
Boom.
Boom. Bim bam.